everybody, and today we're bringing you another joint production from Eccentric Broadcasting and Guillotine Cinema. And today we'll be reviewing Morris Day's solo album, The Color of Success. And there's another single in here too, the Oak Tree single, which Prince helped him write. So with that being said, let's get on with it.
Yeah, Oak Tree was another song from the main album, The Color of Success, if I'm not mistaken. Like my brother said, the other vinyl in here is like the single.
Okay, that there.
There's one of the vinyls. I'll just do a close-up of the inner sleeve. We'll just go through it one by one. There's a close-up. This side of the inner sleeve. There's the other side. There you go. Okay, this is the single, I believe. There's side 145, yep. The Oak Tree. A couple different versions. And side 2, a couple more versions of Oak Tree. There you go. And go ahead and take the other vinyl out of the...
Yeah, I believe these are just sleeves to put them in.
Yep, the outer sleeves. Go ahead and take the other vinyl out and I'll do a close-up of that, then we can do the outer sleeves.
Yeah. Let me see, this has got a few.
Yep, there it is.
Not too bad of shape.
It's in pretty good condition. There's side 1, Morris Day's solo album, The Color of Success. Very good album. There you go. Close up side 2.
Excuse me.
Morris Day, just a very good artist, songwriter and singer.
This record looks pretty good too.
Yep, they're both in pristine condition. Do another close-up, this time without the bag on it. Or the inner sleeve. There you go.
Okay, let's do the I believe this one is the outer sleeve from Morris Day's solo album, The Color of Success.
Yep. That's fine. It's just like the plastic bag it's in.
Yeah. Sorry. Having a little bit of problem because I want to keep this tape on so my brother could reseal it, keep the vinyl nice. And here's the outer sleeve.
Yep. Here's the outer sleeve to The Color of Success. Close up of the front side. Close up of the back side here. There you go. Apologize, the seller taped it really well. It's just taking my brother a minute to get the little baggie open.
Yeah, because if you can keep this tape on, it's a real nice way to try to preserve the records. At least I think it's... And this is for the other solo single.
Yeah, for the single from the album, Oak Tree. There's a close-up of the front of the outer slip cover. Close up of the back. There you go.
And that is the review of Morris Day and his solo album, The Color of Success, and the single Oak Tree, which was which was also co-written by Prince.
Yep.
And if this video has helped you, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and comment. We hope these videos have helped you in some way, and we hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoy making them for you. And until we meet again, please take care of yourself and the people around you that matter the most. And until we meet again for another review, thank you, good night, and goodbye for now.
Bye bye.